Ethan, is Daddy burping you? How do you feel?
Yeah, you're resting on Daddy's shoulder.
Are you gonna give a loud burp? Are you? Oh, yawning. So cute. Tired already. You want to sleep? Hmm? Why are you frowning? He just keeps looking at the camera. Oh, I'm gonna fall asleep already. Night night. Night night, sweetie.